Students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Yes, students, today we will do the sums of exercise 12.6. Yes, in this exercise, the concept of the time, that is time duration, means we have to find out the gap that from this much time up to this much time, how many hours and minutes are there. Yes, students. So here we will do the sums of this exercise. Yes, so take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes, first sum is there. Calculate the time duration from 9:15 a.m. to 1:40 p.m. in a day. Yes, students, see how we will calculate this. We have to tell the time duration from 9:15 a.m. to 1:40 p.m. Yes, students, see how we will calculate this. Firstly, we will see here is am and here is pm. Yes, see how we will move from 9:15 am to 10:15 am. What will be the duration? It will be 1 hour. Yes, and then 10:15 am to 11:15 am. Again the time duration will be 1 hour. Yes, now 11:15 am to 12:15 pm, because after 12 o'clock am will be changed to pm. So here again the timing is, duration is of 1 hour. Then 12:15 pm to 1:15 pm, the duration is 1 hour. Yes, our target is up to 1:40. So here 1:15 pm to 1:40 pm. Here this is the time less than 1 hour, so here only minutes will be there. 1:15 pm to 1:40 pm. Here the time will be 25 minutes. Yes, so here what is the duration of the time, total duration of the time? First hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, and 25 minutes. So from 9:15 am to 1:40 pm, the duration of time is 4 hours 25 minutes. Yes, now let's move to part B. From 10:45 pm to 11:53 pm in a day. On the same day, 10:45 starting time is 10:45 and pm, and the ending time is 11:53 pm. And here we have to find out time duration. Yes, see here how we will do this sum. From 10:45 pm to 11:53 pm. Yes, here what we will do, we will again move one hour by 1 hour. Yes, starting time is 10:45 pm. Yes, from 10:45 pm to 11:45 pm, the duration is 1 hour. The duration of time is 1 hour. Yes, now from 11:45 to 11:53, 11:45 pm to 11:53 pm. Here hours are not there, only minutes difference is there. 45 minutes and here is 53 minutes. And what is the gap? 8 minutes. So duration of the time is, so from 10:45 pm to 11:53 pm, the duration of time is 1 hour 8 minutes. So the duration of time is 1 hour 8 minutes. Yes students, now rest of the two sums you will do by yourself. Okay, now let's move to sum number 2. Yes, what is there? Our concert started at 10:20 am. The starting time of the concert is 10:20 am and ended at 12 noon. How long did the concert last? What is the duration time of the concert? Yes, the starting time is 10:20 and the ending time is 12 noon. See how we will calculate. Yes, it's our sum number 2. Yes, starting time of concert. What is the starting time of concert? It is 10:20 am. 10:20 am. Yes, and ending time of concert is 12 noon. Yes, now what is the duration of the time? Yes, we will move by 1 hour. Yes, how we will write? 10:20 am to 11:20 am. Yes, the duration is 1 hour. Yes, then 11:20 am to 12 noon. Yes, as already we know, with 12 we are writing noon, we are not writing am or pm. If it's at night 12, then we are writing it midnight. Yes, so here we will write noon. So the duration of the time is 11:20 am to 12 noon. It will be 40 minutes. Yes, now what is the question asked to us? We will write the answer according to that. How long did the concert last? So we will write here, the concert lasted for 1 hour 40 minutes. Yes friends, now let's to move our next sum. What is that sum? There is sum number 3. Yes, what is written in that sum? What is the statement? We will read it. Yes, Sonia baked cookies in an oven for 35 minutes. Sonia baked cookies in an oven for 35 minutes. Here duration is given. Yes, she started the baking at 11:20 am. At what time did she remove cookies from the oven? Here we have to find out ending time. Yes, starting time is 11:20 am. Yes, duration of time, that is, here you can see there are the hours and these are the minutes, and here duration of is 35 minutes. So we will write here 35 minutes. Yes, then ending time will be, what will be the ending time? We will add these both. Yes, here we will get 11:55 am. What is the ending time for baking the cookies? That is 11:55. Yes, friends, now let's move to our sum number 4. What is the question in sum number 4? Vinu reached Delhi on 6 March and left on 15 April. Yes, Vinu reached to Delhi on 6 March and she left Delhi on 15 April. How long did he stay in Delhi? Yes, means what is how many days he stayed in Delhi. Yes, we will write here. Yes, arrived Delhi on 6 March. Yes, and he left Delhi on 15 April. Yes, then from 6 March to 15 April, how many days are there? How we will calculate? Firstly, 6 March is the reaching time. Yes, arrival time. Yes, now in March, how many days are there? There are the 31 days. Yes, so how many days in March? There are 31 days in the March, and he has arrived on 6 March. Then March, how many days of the March he has left? He has left in Delhi. Yes, there is 31 minus 6 means for 25 days he stayed. Yes, then April 15 days. Yes, then 15 days he stayed. Yes, then total how many days? 40 days. Then he stayed in Delhi for 40 days. Yes, yes students, now see next sum. What is there in that sum? Sum number 5. Rajiv goes for an adventure tour on 10 November for 39 days. His tour starts on 10 November and duration of the days is 39 days. On what date will he come back? Yes, okay, now the duration is of 39 days. Starting date is November 10 November. Duration of tour, that is 39 days. Yes, now on which date he will come back? Here 20 days of November, because on 10 he has started, then rest of the days he was on tour. Yes, 20 days of November. Yes, and then more 19 days we need, then 19 days of December. Yes, we will write here November is having 30 days, total 30 days. Yes, and on 10th November he started. 10th November he started. Yes, then we will say that November month 20 days he was on tour. Yes, November 20 days he was on tour. Yes, then we reached here up 30th November. Up to 30th November duration is 20 days, but here duration is 39 days, means 20 days of November and rest 19 days left. 19 days will be off, and 19 days of December will make his tour complete, because 39 is the duration, 20 days of November and 19 days of December. So his tour will end on December 19, and he will come back on December 19 after 39 days. Yes friends, hope you have understood. And in this video I have also told you what is the writing style of the sums. Yes, firstly watch the video carefully and then try to do the sums, and hope for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.